15 cruise hacks that cruise lines don't want you to know. Have you ever felt that no matter how much you try, cruise lines always make you spend way more money on your vacation than you planned? Most passengers don't cruise smart, but you will. In this video, you will learn 15 cruise tricks and cruise secrets that will save you money and help you enjoy your cruise ship 10 times more. From drink packages scams to better room prices or Wi-Fi traps. Let's get started!
Number 1. Why you should prepay gratuities.
Prepaying gratuities can be a smart move. It locks in the current price, so you are protected if the cruise line raises prices before you sail. It also makes budgeting much easier. Everything is paid upfront, which means less stress once you are on board. But here is where people get confused. Many cruisers then wonder if they should also tip extra in cash. The real answer is that it's not required, but it's always appreciated for exceptional service.
Number 2. The drink packages scam.
Think about this. For a 7-day cruise, a drink package usually costs between $60 and $100 per day. To make it worth it, you will need to have at least 8 of the most expensive drinks per day, if not more. All of this without even considering that everyone in your cabin has to buy it with you. So that's about $80 more per person per day. I get it. It feels nice to just relax and have drinks here and there without looking at the price. But it's really not worth it. Especially if you don't drink alcoholic cocktails, unless you are like my friend. It's much better to just buy drinks as you go. Number 3.
Wi-Fi sharing.
All passengers in the cabin must buy the drink packages, as you know, but that's not the case with Wi-Fi. Here is my trick. Only one person can purchase it, and then you can put your phone in hotspot mode and share the Wi-Fi with the rest of your travel friends. Number 4.
The fake embarkation time.
On your embarkation day, you are assigned a time. What almost no one knows is that that time is symbolic. It's not that strict. If they tell you your embarkation time is at 10, but you arrive at 9:30, you will start the embarkation process as soon as you arrive to the terminal. I have never heard of anyone being told that they must wait for their assigned time. Likewise, if you arrive late at 11, nothing will happen. These times are just to organize embarkation, but if you can and want to start your cruise before your time, you can do it. Number 5.
Cruise price match if it drops.
You won't believe this trick. It only applies to some cruise lines, and unfortunately, not all of them. If you buy your cruise at a certain price and later see on the website that the price has dropped before embarkation, you can contact your cruise specialist, and in many cases, they will match the price, saving you a lot of money. Number 6.
How to get food when the buffet is closed.
You come back from your excursion or you wake up late and the buffet is closed. But don't worry, because here is a trick to get tea, coffee, or some fruit. Go to the buffet and talk to whoever looks like the boss, usually someone in a white uniform. Explain your situation and ask them for something specific to eat, and I guarantee they will give it to you. Number 7.
Secret always available food.
Did you know that there are secret foods that are always available, even if they are not on the menu? This is a secret only pro cruisers know. The classic cheese plate, a salmon fillet, mashed potatoes, or fruit for dessert. Ask your waiter and they will bring it to you. Number 8.
The Embarkation Day Trap.
It's the first day of your cruise. You embark late, then explore the ship, grab a quick meal, and do the safety drill. And before you know it, your first day is gone. But if you go in with the right plan, that won't happen. Pack a backpack with your swimsuit, flip-flops, and essentials for the first day. Because remember, it will take time for your luggage to be delivered to your cabin. Go and enjoy the pool, or have a coffee or a cocktail, and later in the afternoon, evening, or over the next few days, explore the ship. Number 9.
How to pick the quietest and best cabin for you.
To choose the best cabin for your taste, you should look at the deck plans, not only for your deck, but also for the one above and below. If you want a quiet room, make sure you don't have noisy areas above or below you, like a nightclub or a bar. If you prefer to be close to the elevators and stairs, you should also check the deck plan. Number 10.
Don't lose your luggage if you disembark late.
This is how to avoid missing your luggage if you disembark late. Most cruise lines give you color tags, each color representing a time slot. Don't worry, your cruise line will tell you which color corresponds to which time. You can request new color tags at reception. Not only will you be able to disembark later if you wish, but many times luggage is taken off the ship according to the tag times. If your luggage has the blue tag indicating a 9 a.m. disembarkation and you leave at 1 p.m., you risk leaving your luggage unattended for too many hours. Number 11.
Online booking perks.
From Wi-Fi to excursions and more will always be cheaper if you book before boarding your cruise. You will even find special packages and promotions. So if you already know you are going to buy something on board, do it through the website before your cruise. Number 12.
Why you should always disembark late.
No cruise line will ever tell you this, but you can disembark at whatever time you want. While everyone else is rushing to disembark with long breakfast lines, little sleep, and grumpiness all around, you can enjoy your breakfast in peace, having a pleasant conversation with your family and friends. Of course, as long as it's not so late that the ship has to leave for the next port. In that case, they will call you over the loudspeaker. But if you leave at noon or even at 2 p.m., no one will say a word. Number 13.
The balcony privacy myth.
If you have done a lot of cruises, I'm sure this has happened to you. You look at your balcony and suddenly you are not alone. There is a crew member cleaning your balcony. That's why every time you change your clothes, make sure you are really alone or close the curtains for extra privacy. Number 14.
Don't let your luggage go missing.
The cruise line announced over the loudspeaker that all luggage has been delivered to its respective cabins. But yours? Don't panic. Here's what you should do. Before boarding your ship, take a photo of your luggage. Tags indicating your name and cabin often come off, leaving all the suitcases with no owner in a room on the ship. But if you have a photo, you can show it to the person in charge of the luggage so they can identify yours and bring it to your cabin. Number 15.
Interior cabin hack.
I know the interior cabin is very dark. I have been there. But if you turn on the TV and leave it on the cruise camera's channel, on the popa or proa, meaning front or back of the ship, not only will you notice when it's daytime because the sunlight will illuminate your cabin, but you can also check the time whenever you want and you can see if you have arrived to the port or you can check the weather.
Now, which are your cruise hacks? Don't forget to subscribe and check my other videos.